Good morning, students. I welcome you all in my English reader class. Today we are going to study about the remaining part of Clever Jackal. I had already discussed the Clever Jackal story with you. Now I'm just going to finish it. Okay? So just pay attention. The next day, a rabbit was sent. The next day, another day, a rabbit was sent to the lion for his food. Her little children were very upset, and the little children of the rabbit were very, very upset. They were very sad, and they did not eat anything for 3 days because their father is no more in this world. That's why they didn't eat anything. A whole month went by in this way. A whole month had passed by this way. Every day, one animal went to the lion as his meal and lion ate it up. The animals were sad to see their friends and family members leaving one by one. And all the animals, they were very, very sad because they were losing their family. That's why they all were very sad. There seemed no solution in sight, but they do not have any other option. They do not have any way to come out of his problem, to come out of this problem. They do not have any kind of solution, and that's why they were very, very sad. One sunny morning, it was the turn of the jackal, and now the day come when a jackal have to go lion for his meal. His entire family came to see their final goodbyes, and everyone in that jungle from animals family, they just come to say, to wish him goodbye because they know it's their last meeting, and from today he will not be in this world because lion will surely eat him. Like all the other animals, he also didn't want to go to the lion, as other animals didn't want to lose their life, same as jackal also didn't want to go to the lion. He didn't want to lose his life, he didn't want to be die, but he left all his friends and family members half-heartedly. But he left because they do not have any choice. All animals do not have any choice. That's why jackal also had to go, and he also had to left his family and friends unwillingly. As he was walking towards the lion's den, as Jackal was walking towards the lion's den, he came up with an idea flashed in his mind. He deliberately walked very slowly, means he knowingly walked very, very slowly and reached late to the lion. He was not on the time. The lion was hungry. Lion was very, very hungry because it's too late, and hunger had made him angrier than usual, and his appetite, his hunger made him more angry than the normal days. See, rabbit rabbit was requesting, please don't eat me, but lion didn't listen to him. He just ate him up. And then, by the time the jackal arrived, the lion was ready to eat him up at once. As soon as the jackal arrived, the lion just wants to pounce on jackal and want to eat him at once. The jackal very respectfully apologized. The jackal very respectfully says sorry for being late. He said, Majesty, please, sorry for being late. Today I am late. Please, please, please forgive me. Please apologize me. And informed him that he had set off with two of his friends. And he informed to the lion that he began his journey with two of his friends. as a part of the lion's meal because they want to be the meal of the lion. However, on their way, they were attacked by another lion when they were coming because he had started his journey with his friends, and they both were killed by the lion and another lion in the jungle. They were attacked by another lion who said that he was the king of their jungle, and that lion told us that he is the king of the jungle. The other lion had eaten both his friends and my majesty, my two friends. They were killed by that cruel lion. It was with great difficulty that he had managed to escape, and anyhow, he just escaped his life, and here I am. Otherwise, that lion will eat me up. He was telling the whole story to the lion, and lion was listening carefully. The lion was furious on hearing this. When the lion listened all the story told by Jackal, he became more angry. He ordered the jackal to take him to the place where the other lion was. He just ordered to the jackal, just let me, just come with me. I just want to meet that lion. The jackal took him to a well, and the jackal took the lion to the well. A lion saw his reflection in water, and as soon as he peeped in the well, the lion saw his own reflection, and he thought that it is another lion. He was so furious, he was so angry that without thinking a single minute that it may be his reflection, he pounced at his own reflection. Means he attacked, he jumped on his own reflection and fell into the well, and he just fell into the well. He struggled for some time but finally drowned. He struggled. He tried sometimes. He strived sometime for saving his life, but it was just vain. He finally suffocated in water and died. The clever jackal's intelligence had saved all the other animals of the forest. And the clever jackal had saved other lives of animals. They were very thankful to him. All the animals of the jungle were thanking to the clever jackal and lived in the forest peacefully ever after. And after this, they all started living very peacefully in the forest because after that there is no lion in the jungle, and they were all living happily with their family. How was the chapter? I think you had enjoyed it, right? Thank you for